In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number format in Google Sheets using custom formatting. Whether you're organizing contacts, preparing a report, or just tidying up your data, being able to customize the way numbers are displayed can make a big difference. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get those phone numbers looking just the way you want. First, you'll need to start by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, go to Google Sheets and open the document where you keep your phone numbers. This is the first step in gearing up to give those numbers a fresh, clean look. Next, it's time to select the cells that you want to apply the new formatting to. Click on a cell and hold down your mouse button as you drag across your sheet. Highlight all the cells containing phone numbers that you'd like to format. Make sure to select the whole set. This ensures that all the desired numbers are included in the update. Now, with your cells selected, look to the top menu and click on the Format option. This is like opening the toolbox you'll use for customizing your numbers. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, move your cursor down to find and select Number. Your document likely has default settings, but don't worry. You have the option to tailor them to your liking. In the Number sub-menu, you'll want to go one step further and click on Custom Number Format. This is where the real magic happens, giving you total control over how the phone numbers will appear. Selecting this will open up a new window containing a variety of preset phone number formats. In the options presented, you can either type in your desired format or pick one that's already listed. The listed formats cater to the most commonly used styles, so chances are you'll find one that fits your needs perfectly. However, if you want to design something unique, feel free to input your own by typing directly into the text box. It might look a bit like this, where the hash symbols represent numbers. Satisfied with your choice? Your next and final step is to click on Apply. By doing this, Google Sheets will immediately reformat the selected range of cells with your chosen phone number format. And there you have it. Now your phone numbers should be neatly formatted, making them both aesthetically pleasing and easy to read. Remember, these steps can be repeated with different cells or formats as necessary. With this newfound knowledge, you can manage your data efficiently and professionally in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting.